exercise 1.1. So today we start our new topic. This is our class number 8 and we want to learn today type of function. Okay, in type of function we will learn 4 types. One is one function, many one, onto, and into, or not onto also we can write. Okay, it's another names are given. So that also pencil in your book. That is one function. We can say it is as an injective function also. One means injective. One function is, its another name is injective function. Then if onto function, that can be said as subjective. And if it is both one and onto, then you can say bijective. Okay, this is the another name, so we have discussed it. Okay, let's see. First we start with our one function or injective function. See, I give you one simple example. One means what? We are taking one question, one answer, or you can say the relation of a term with one and one. Okay, injective. What is the meaning of injective? If you remember, injection. So injection pointed at only one point. What is the meaning of it? Injective means only for one needle, one injection. So that way also you can remember. 1 to 1 means I give you one simple thing, that one question, one answer. Relation of a one person with one only, not more than that. Okay, relation of a one person with only one. That is your one. And many one means relation of a many person with one. Okay, we take one example. Suppose Ram and Syam both are friends. Okay, friend of Ram is Syam only. So relation of a Ram and Syam, that is one relation. But here Ram is a friend of Syam also. Now suppose another we take Lakshman, also friend of Syam. So here many person with one. So many one we can consider. Okay, now in mathematical format, let's take a one function. Okay, and afterwards we will discuss its definition also. So first I give you one example. See, suppose your function is mentioned from n to n. If I write fx equal to x plus 1, what I have to start? I have to start with natural numbers. So if I say first natural number 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Second natural number 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Third natural number is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And so on we can go. So which number I choose from n, in answer I get more than one number more than which number I have choose. Right? So what I get? With 1, relation of a 1 with 2, 3 related, with 3, 4 is related, and up to so on with n plus 1 is related. Right? That way we get. So you check. Is there any number here which is repeated? No. So this relation is said to be 1. Okay. Now this is our basic concept, but now let's come to Venn diagram and we discuss it by Venn diagram. Let's take A and B. Suppose I have given here 1, 2, 3 and here I have number 2, 3 and 4. So I can mention 1 with 2, 2 with 3 and 3 with 4. So this is the example of one function. Clear? So first part is very simple. What is the 1-1 relation that I have shown? Now after 1-1, let's consider another type, many one function, which is not a 1-1. So we will take one more example, which is 1-1, and in the same example I show you how it became many one. See, first we take one question, f z to z, and question is given fx equal to x square. I have considered from z to z, means I can consider integers also. So let's start with -2. -2 square will be 4. Similar way, -1 square. What is it? 1. 0. Square of 0 is 0. Now 1. So 1 square is 1. Now 2. So 2 square is 4, and so on. So check. These two answers repeated, these two answers are repeated, right? What we consider, if we make order pair, then -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So for two different questions, 2 and -2, we get the same answer. So what is the meaning of it? For many questions, same answer. So relation is many one. This one is mentioned by many one function. Many one. 1 and many one. Okay, here again same. With -1 answer is +1, and with +1 also answer is +1. So from that also you can understand, for two different questions same answer. Right? So many one clear, 1 clear. Now in this question, if I just remember, just change only this question. Means I have changed its domain and codomain. What is it? On place of z I use n to n. Now remember, when I write square of it, what is the change? We have taken only natural numbers. So what is it? We have to start with 1. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, now 3, so 3 square is 9, and up to so on. So relation what I get, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and so on. So there is a no number which is repeated. So same question x square, now it's became 1 function. So what is the difference between 1 and many one? Is it clear? For single question, single answer, then it is 1-to-1 relation. And for two different questions, we get the same answer, or two, not two different, more than 2. Means that is called many one function. So I think 1-to-1 and many one, it's more clear to you. Now we start third type. Onto means surjective function, and then into, or you can say not in. Onto. Okay, first one easy concept I show you, that suppose your question is given from n to n and fx equal to x. Fx equal to x means I have to take from natural number, and the same number I can write again because it is x itself. So for n we get n only. Which are the order pair? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and last n, n. That way we are getting all the numbers. Now you check here. What is your range? For onto we have to remember range also. What is your range? All these numbers we have already discussed in our 11th classes. So range is 1, 2 up to n, means set of natural number only. So when your range of a function and its codomain, range of a function and its codomain both are same. Here codomain also n, and what you get as a range also n, then that function is said to be onto. And if this one is not satisfied, range of a function and codomain of a function is not same, then you can say it is into, or we can say onto means surjective and into means not onto also you can write or not subjective also you can write. Okay, now one, many one, onto and into or not onto. If any function is both one also and onto also, then you can say it is a bijective function. One and onto both, then you can say it is a bijective function. See, for onto, if we discuss in mathematical format, if you have one element x in any term, and if you prove any given set, and if you prove y equal to fx, then also you can say it is onto function or surjective. Now you can open your textbook and you can revise all the definition words. Definition number 5 on 7th page. Read it. A function f x to y is defined to be a 1 or a bijective if image of a distinct element of a x under f are distinct x1 x2 in x, then f of x1 and f of x2 same, and you have to prove for x1 equal to x2. Now up till now what we learned, that is our for basic concept. Now we start with our mathematical format. Okay, what is the definition? Suppose you have two elements x1 and x2. If we take f of x1 equal to f of x2, and if you prove that x1 and x2 are same, image and pre-image, that also I will explain you. First you concentrate on definition, then you can say it is 1. If this one is not equal and this one is not, then also you can say 1. Now I give you one example how can we prove it. Okay, let's take one function from n to n, fx equal to x plus 1, which one we have already discussed by numbers also. Now we will prove by mathematical format. F of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay, so on place of x here, I have to write x1 means x1 plus 1. On place of x, I have to write x2 here. Right? Now, adding minus 1 on both sides. That we can do. So, plus or minus 1 cancel. Now, we have proved x1 and x2 is same. We have taken f of x1 equal to f of x2 and we have proved x1 equal to x2. So, you can say it is a 1 function. First clear how we, same question we have proved by the examples also, numbers also. Now I have proved by the mathematical format also. Now we take one more example with square, which one we have discussed. Okay, I will keep n to n only, and I have written my function as a fx equal to x square. Okay, now let's try. F of x1 equal to f of x2 means x1 square equal to x2 square, right? Now taking root on both sides. So when you take root on both sides, this way we will get, when you remove root, what do you get? With plus or minus. That way we are getting. Now 4 relations you are getting here. What is it? x1 equal to x2, x1 equal to minus x2, x1. Here we have taken minus sign. So minus x1 equal to x2 and minus x1 equal to minus x2. For this and this only you can say 1. But for this you cannot say 1. So this question is, how, see, if it is z to z given, then we are getting this 4 option. So it is not 1. What is it? It is at this stage many 1. But if I keep n to n only, n to n, what is the meaning of it? Plus or minus cancel, only plus will remain, right? Because we have taken natural numbers only, so you cannot choose integers. This portion cancel. If this portion cancel, so for natural number you can say it is a 1. But when you choose on place of it z to z, then what you will get when you consider z to z. So when you remove this for z to z, what do you get here? With plus or minus. If we have written with plus or minus, then our 4 cases x1 equal to x2, x1 equal to minus x2, minus x1 equal to x2, and minus x1 equal to minus x2. So for that we can say it is not 1 1. So when you change your domain and codomain, your method will be changed. It is 1 1 or many 1. So first thing clear. For injective functions, we have discussed by both the way. Once with definition also and one with direct examples also. Way of writing is this for your exam, but for your understanding, I have shown that first method. Okay, now let's come to the another definition. Okay, now you can see in your book what is the given thing, that x comma function is mentioned from x to y is said to be onto if every element of a y is the image of some element of x, or you can say if we choose y in y, there exists x in x such that fx equal to f of y. The meaning of it is same only, that range and codomain is same. Now I explain you image and that. Suppose we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have taken 1, 4, 9 and 16. So these numbers with this with this with this with this. So this way you can mention image and pre-image. Suppose I write function f of x equal to x square. Right? So which I number choose? 1. 1 square is 1. And if I choose 2, 2 square is 4. So this way you can mention image and pre-image. Pre-image, image. Now same thing, if I want to write with pre-image, then I have to take root on both sides. So root of fx equal to x. So root of 1, when x is 1, its root will be 1. Now 2. So here 4 number is, root of 4 is 2. That way you get the image and pre-image concept. We will discuss its question also in your book. So it will be more clear to you. Now see, on page number 8, remark is mentioned. Onto if and only if range of f and its codomain means y is mentioned is same. Now 7th definition is given, that a function is said to be 1 1 and onto means if it is bijective, if it is 1 1 and onto both. So we have discussed 4 types of functions, which are there: 1 1 function, onto, many 1 and into. Okay, in one example we discussed all 4 things, so it will be more clear to you. Let's take our simple question, f of x is x square. I have taken with natural number, remember. So what I have to do first, by our simple method, if we consider 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and up to so on. Now range of f I write here, that is 1, 4, 9 and so on. Right? Now what is it? This is not equal to natural number. Check it. Only perfect square we are getting. What is the meaning of it? Only perfect square means it is not all natural numbers. So this function is 1 1, which one we have already discussed, but not onto. If all the natural numbers if we get, then only you can say it is onto. Okay, now we shift our term. Now what we have taken this question on z to z. Now on z to z means for minus 1 also one answer, for 1 also. For minus 2 also 4, for 2 also 4. So from this you can say it is a many one. But now you check your range, all integers we have taken. But the range is again a perfect square, which is not equal to z. So it is not onto. What we learned, that 1 1 means single question, single answer. Many 1 means for 2 different questions, 1 answer. Onto means range and domain, codomain are range this way and codomain is same. And if it is not same, then it is not onto. Okay, these 4 things. But if function is 1 1 and onto, both 1, then it is called bijective function. So for this class, I think this topic is more clear to you. You revise in your book, and in our next class we will start with solve sums which is given in your book. Thank you.